BulkSMS for Zoho is a free extension available in the Zoho marketplace. This integration has two components. Here we will guide you through the setup process. The first component is the integration gateway. All you need is a BulkSMS account to get started. Step 1. Go to the integration gateway link in the description and log in with your BulkSMS account details. Step 2. Create a new integration. Enter the name you'd like to give this integration and select Zoho for the integration type. Click Create to continue. Step 3. Click Settings and configure your integration. Enter your default country code and click Next. Click the copy icon to save the redirect URL to your clipboard. Select your Zoho domain. This can be found in your Zoho URL. Click the Zoho API Console button and log in with your Zoho account details. Click Add Client, then select Server-Based Applications. For the homepage URL, set the BulkSMS.com site address. Paste the URL you copied before in the authorized redirect URL and click Create. Copy the client ID to your BulkSMS settings page, and then the client secret. Once both values have been pasted, click the Authenticate button. Select your primary CRM instance. Click Accept to allow BulkSMS to access the required data for your integration. Once the page refreshes, scroll down and click Save Settings. You've now configured your integration and can start sending bulk messages to your lists in Zoho. The second part of the setup is to install the BulkSMS for Zoho CRM extension. Open a new tab and go to your Zoho CRM instance. Step 1. Go to the Zoho marketplace and search for BulkSMS.com. Open the extension and click Install. The Allow Marketplace Vendors to Contact Me Regarding Product Offers and Promotions option will notify us of your installation, allowing us to reach out to you with product offers. You'll need to accept the terms of service and privacy policy of the vendor as well as the terms of service of the Zoho marketplace. Click Install to continue. You'll need to agree to the terms of service and authorize BulkSMS to access and process your data. We recommend install for all users, but feel free to select admin only, should it fit your use case. Step 2. Once the extension has finished the installation process, click Authorize and enter your BulkSMS account details. Next, you'll need to configure your extension. Go to Settings and enter your preferences. The default country code is required as it is used to auto-clean and format the phone numbers in the CRM. Once you're done, click Save Settings. All set up. If you struggled with any of these steps or have any further questions, email us on the address on your screen.